Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, siya yung available. Ako po, actually, hindi na talaga ako mag-accept pero sige, magbibigay ako until this week kung sino yung mga gustong magpa-schedule ng astrological reading, palm reading. Doon na lang sa page namin, Madam P. Search mo na lang hashtag Libra Philippines. And then, hindi na muna po ako tatanggap muli ng reading, no? And until mga early months ng year 2025, hindi rin, I cannot tell honestly kung kailan ako mag-open ulit. Pwedeng matagalan kasi I'm very busy. Sa mga matagalan na naka-follow sa akin, alam nila yan. No? I do have a lot of business and isa ito sa nakaka-affect doon sa aking personal reading and magko-concentrate na lang muna ako sa general for now para mas marami tayong mabigyan ng guidance. Okay, for Libra, what do we have here for Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra for the sign of Libra. Knight of Wands, the Four of Swords. Okay. Seven of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is your main energy. Okay, Libra, nakikita natin, you are someone who is very aggressive, ha? May mga bagay kang gustong ma-achieve agad. Ngayon, you want to take actions about something. The Four of Swords, and I feel like you're more focused sa sarili mo ngayon, healing and everything, no? Yung iba, healing about love, healing about yung sarili mo, kung ano man yung mga nararamdaman mo within yourself na sakit, no? Or, you're just your mind, spirit, everything. Healing. And Seven of Swords, you're walking away from something, from someone, yung iba. And the Star is here. By the way, this is love reading, and the Star, you are wishing for something. Pero with the Five of Swords, since hindi mo naman makuha, okay, the Lovers is here and the Chariot. I feel like nandun pa rin yung you still want something to happen pagdating sa love. But if nothing is happening, you are willing na mag-let go. Parang ganun. Or okay lang sa'yong mag-let go. Yung iba naman, pwedeng there's someone in the past na parang gusto mo, pero ngayon parang you're throwing away itong pagkagusto mo dito sa taong to. Kaya nga nagfo-focus ka ngayon sa sarili mo. But all in all, Libra, more on ang focus mo ngayon is sarili mo, whether may kakonect ka or wala. Pagdating sa love, main energy ng connection ni Libra. Pagdating sa love, nakakita ka ng like a horse or a horseshoe. So you could be dealing with someone, or recently may mga binili ka, hinawakan ka na something to do with a horse. Horseshoe, like that. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. Why do I feel like nakuha ko kasi yung energy mo dito sa Knight of Pentacles then. Or you could be dealing with the Virgo. I just saw the Virgo energy. Page of Pentacles is here and the King of Cups. Okay. I mean, ito dalawang energy magkaiba to, ha. Some of you're dealing with a person na focusing on new beginnings, there's new beginnings pagdating sa career. Knight of Pentacles is showing to me as a person who is um thinking about you, pero it's just that hindi pa masyadong malinaw dito kung ano yung iniisip niya regarding sa'yo. Pwedeng alam niyang umiiwas ka or lumalayo ka. The Page of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Someone here is I can see love coming from this person. And pwedeng the person na to is, I see a child. Maybe there's a child na involved sa connection nito, or you're dealing with someone who is younger than you, or someone na medyo immature. Sabihin natin ganun. Magkakaiba yung energy. If ever that you're dealing with that person na doon sa pangalawa, I see that this person is pwedeng nasasaktan siya. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Emotion mo. Or you could be dealing with two people. Now, one is someone who is childish and the other one is focusing on your beginning. Pagdating sa money. Four of Pentacles, I feel like you are focusing on your money, yung savings mo, yung anong paparating sa'yo na money, you are welcoming other opportunities, etc. And yung iba napipilitan gastusin yung mga savings, or yung iba pwedeng opening up a new bank account, something to do with money is your focus right now. And pagdating sa person na kakonect mo, wala tayong nakikitang actions from you, and I see you as someone na parang umiiwas about this person. Tell me. Ayan, ito may lumabas. The Empress, okay. Some of you, you're dealing with someone na nagkakaroon ng new beginning pagdating sa money. Nag-focus siya sa sarili niya. This person loves his or herself for now. And ako naman, honestly, this person is naka-move on na, no longer waiting. You shouldn't wait if you're waiting. You shouldn't wait for this person. Nag-focus siya. Lalo na kung alam mo naman yung beginning itong person na to sa pera. Nagkaroon siya ng bagong trabaho, nagkaroon siya ng bagong life, like especially pagdating sa pera nga. And the Empress is showing to me as self-love, self-care. So yung person na to nagpo-focus on sa self-love and self-care niya sa sarili niya. Okay, so what about the other person? The High Priestess, some of you, there's a spiritual connection between you and this person. Yung spiritual connection in your Eight of Wands can also be, be felt by the people around you, the people around this person. Ramdam ng ibang tao, pamilya niya, pamilya mo, yung spiritual na connection sa inyong dalawa. And, pareho kayo ng gusto sa buhay. You want to save money, you want to earn money, you want to focus ka sa pera, pareho kayo ng person nito. Pareho kayong mahilig magkita ng pera or mag-focus sa pagkita ng pera. Mahilig kayong mag-invest also is what I can see here. A lot of similarities pagdating sa money. Yeah, this person is also workaholic, same as you. Very professional. Tell me about the emotions. Well, sabi ko nga, this person still loves you or has a lot of love for you, and with the Strength card, lalong lumalalim yung emotion niya para sa'yo. Pero, yun nga, focus siya sa pera. Pareho naman kayo, focus sa pera. Kaya lang masyadong, focus kayo sa pera, pero masyado rin kayong I mean, this person's there's a lot of love doon. Mag-focus ako sa pera pero naiisip kita, naaalala kita. There are times na pwedeng yung person na to nagmamatigas pero nasasaktan siya. So what will happen in the near future for you, Libra? In the near future for you, Libra. Two of Pentacles, the Five of Wands. I mean, this is the first one na kukunin natin na message. Some of you, I can see pag-aaway. I can see you, with regards to, especially if you're dealing with the person na parang nagpo-focus on yung beginnings niya. I can see you getting hurt from this. Guys, if at the Five of Swords, this is showing us big change sa buhay mo. Malaking pagbabago na nangyari sa'yo. And this will just cause you a lot of stress with the King of Swords. So with the Fool, mag-focus ka na lang dito sa stability mo, sa money mo, sa finances mo. And forget about this Five of Pentacles, someone who wants more, or maybe the past person na laging ikaw yung bigay ng bigay sa kanya. Like, problema lang ang hatid nito sa'yo eh. You should love yourself. Page of Wands is here and the Knight of Cups. May kasi new communication. If you're already old enough or matanda na, I feel like you shouldn't be focusing on love, but rather mag-focus ka na lang sa pera mo or sa makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Like children, if you do have apo, focus on that and never focus about this person na nagiging immature, someone who wants more money from you. Like there's a possibility na siya ay mukhang pera at nag-aano siya ng pera, kumbaga. Gusto niyang makakuha ng pera, not only from you but from other people. And yun yung main focus niya. So you should focus on that instead of, thinking about this person. Kasi it will just cause you na magagalit ka, magkakaroon ng pag-aaway, etc. I want to know the future pagdating dun sa other person, which is my spiritual connection, near future. The Emperor, the Death card, the Queen of Swords, and the Nine of Wands. Gusto ko rin kunin yung sa side ng person na ito. Tell me about this person. Ayan, lumabas pa rin si the Emperor dyan. Justice card is here. Ace of Wands. Dalawang major arcana. Tatlo with the Death card. Well, I can see you cutting off this person. I can see ending, honestly, sa connection ninyo. And with the Eight of Pentacles, nakikita natin that this person will be focusing sa kanyang sarili, sa kanyang money, and will be working hard, to provide parang sa mga pangangailangan ng either siya, pamilya niya, etc. Kung sino man itong mga nasa paligid niya. And although may spiritual connection kayo, you could be married in your past life. The Three of Cups is here. I can see reconciliation, pero for now, hindi yon nangyayari. May reconciliation, pero sa ngayon, hindi agad-agad, hindi pa. No? You cutting off this person kasi although importante siya, gusto mo yung itsura niya, but alam mong nakakasama ito, or this is unhealthy for you, unhealthy for him or her, no? Hindi nagiging okay yung connection ninyo, so I can see cut off sa connection ninyo. You will be more focused in your home with the Hermit, the Hierophant, so a lot of spiritual lessons sa bawat isa. Yeah, the Tower, there's an ending, but with the Eight of Swords, I feel like may ending sa connection nito, pero yung ending nito is a way for you, both of you, to learn sa mga lessons na dapat matutunan ninyo sa buhay ninyo. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot Madam PTV. Virgo Philippines, Libra Philippines, Water Sign Philippines. And guys, again, last call na lang. Ngayong end of week hanggang Sunday na lang ako magpapa-accept sa mga admin ko ng personal reading. If you want to book a personal reading from me, and if you're willing to wait, of course, Christmas season, New Year, so medyo marami at saka may mga naka-line up pa nga actually ngayon. So if you're only willing to wait, pero ako kasi, i-close ko yung aking personal reading at mas mag-focus ako sa general reading. So if you want personal reading from me, astrological reading, 3-question tarot is also available, and palm reading, mag-inquire na lang po kayo doon sa aming page, Madam P, or hashtag Libra Philippines, yun ang isearch mo sa Facebook. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.